Final thoughts. Shipping and receiving are vital components of any successful business. They ensure that products arrive safely and efficiently at their destination and can make or break a customer's experience. When shipping, it is important to find a reliable shipping provider that can meet the needs of your business. Researching shipping rates, delivery times, tracking information, and other shipping details can help ensure that shipping is done correctly. On the receiving end, it is important to make sure that you have an accurate inventory system in place. It allows you to keep track of what has been ordered and received so that everything is accounted for when orders are placed. Overall, shipping and receiving are critical components of any business, and having a streamlined process in place can help make sure that orders are sent and received quickly and accurately. With proper shipping and receiving practices, companies can ensure that their customers have an enjoyable experience. Thanks for checking out our shipping and receiving video. Disclaimer: Frate Chain provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional advice. You should always consult a freight shipping expert before making any decisions.